The framers understood that for a federal system to function, there must be a clear hierarchy of laws. The Supremacy Clause establishes this hierarchy with remarkable precision. First, the Constitution itself stands at the apex of American law. Second come federal laws, but only those made in pursuance of the Constitution. This qualification is critical. As Alexander Hamilton explained in Federalist No. 33, laws not authorized by the Constitution would not be the supreme law of the land, but a usurpation of power not granted by the Constitution. Third are treaties made under the authority of the United States, requiring presidential negotiation and ratification by 2/3 of the Senate. Fourth are state constitutions and laws, with state judges explicitly bound to follow federal law when conflict between state and federal law arise. The third clause of Article 6 contains two distinct but related provisions: the oath and no religious test. Clauses require government officials to support the Constitution while prohibiting religious tests for holding office, and reads as follows. The senators and representatives before mentioned, and the members of the several state legislatures, and all executive and judicial officers, both of the United States and of the several states, shall be bound by oath or affirmation to support this Constitution, but no religious test shall ever be required as a qualification to any office or public trust under the United States. The oath requirement played a crucial role in uniting the young nation. It united officials across states under a shared commitment, transforming individual states into one nation. In 1787, few Americans considered the United States a country. They thought of the 13 states as individual sovereign nations in a loose confederation. Requiring all officials, federal and state, swear an oath to support the Constitution created personal obligations that transcended state boundaries. This was revolutionary in 1787. In 1787, this was a significant step toward national unity, transforming a wobbly alliance into a real nation with shared principles. Today, we take for granted that government officials across the United States, from federal judges to local library board members, swear to support the Constitution. The No Religious Test Clause was equally radical.